Today class 10th standard science subject physics. Unit is 4th unit electricity. Unit is 4th unit electricity. What is mean electricity? What is mean electric current? This is a electric current definitions. Rate of flow of charge in a conductor per unit time. Consider this is a conductor. Let us consider this is a conductor. Q charge. Q means charge. Q charge flow in a conductor per unit time per second. This is called electric current. The symbol of electric current is capital I. Capital I is equal to capital Q divided by small t. Capital Q is a charge and small t is a time. So I is equal to Q by T. This is formula of the electric current. The unit of the electric current ampere, written capital A only. So unit of electric current ampere A. So based on the problem, solved problem, a charge of 12C means coulomb. The charge unit coulomb. 12C flow through the bulb in 5 seconds. How many times? In only 5 seconds. What is the current through the bulb? What is the current through the bulb? First you understand the question. Charge is symbol of the Q. Q is equal to 12C and the time of a 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds. Identify what is the current through the bulb. So I is equal to question mark. The formula of the electric current I is equal to Q by T. Q value 12, T value 5. So divided 2 5s are 10, remaining 2.4 ampere. This is answer of the current value. Very important problem. Next go to the symbol of the some component circuit. Very important. The basic physics symbol, the some components in the circuit. Consider first, this is a resistance. This diagram is a resistance. The symbol of a resistor. This is used to the fixed magnitude value current through the circuit. The symbol used in the circuit fix the magnitude of the current through the circuit. Next, rheostat. The symbol of a rheostat. R. The written is a symbol, another form of the rheostat. So both are rheostat symbol. To use, select the magnitude of the current in the circuit. This is a fixed, resistor is a fixed value, magnitude value. Then rheostat is to select the magnitude value of the current in the circuit. So this is a different. Next, ammeter, the capital A symbol. Ammeter used to measure the current. Ammeter used the circuit is measure the current value. Next, voltmeter. The symbol is capital V. So used to measure the potential difference in the circuit. So V is a potential difference. Use of the voltmeter in the circuit. Next, galvanometer. Capital G. So galvanometer symbol. See the diagram. Galvanometer symbol used to indicate direction of the current in the circuit. So indicate the directions of the current in the circuit. This is used of the galvanometer. Next go to, this is a symbol of a diode. So diode, this is the use of the variable uses instead of the high classes. Diode is uses variable. So various used, high class is steady. So diode is symbol, very important. Next LED. So this is a LED symbol. So LED, L is a light, E is a emitting, D is a diode. This is full form of a LED. So LED symbol. This is use of the various use in high secondary classes. Steady. Next, this is symbol of the ground. This is all earth. The use of the provide the protection of the electrical component. What is the electrical component? Light, fan, mixer, grinder, TV, AC. So etc. This is a provide the protections of the electrical component, the ground earth. So okay, next Ohm's law. First neatly draw the diagram. This is the Ohm's law diagram. This is XY conductor. A is a ammeter, V is a voltmeter, BT is a battery, K is a key, RH is a rheostat. So all circuit diagram in the connection. So let us constant temperature. Constant temperature, T is a constant. Firstly, constant temperature. The steady current I is a steady current flow through the conductor. XY is a conductor. I current passes through the conductor. Next is directly proportional to the potential difference. V is a potential difference is directly proportional to the two end of the conductor. This is called Ohm's law. So Ohm's law formula is I directly proportional to V. So I is equal to directly proportional equal constant added. So constant into V. So left side, go to left side V. So I by V is equal to constant. The constant value 1 by R. So substitute the formula, one constant value I divided by V is equal to 1 by R, the constant value. So V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. This is called Ohm's law formula. This is called Ohm's law. I once again repeat Ohm's law. Constant temperature, T is a constant, but steady current flow through the conductor. XY is a conductor through the conductor. V is a potential difference. The directly proportional to the potential difference is between the two ends of the conductor. The formula of the V is equal to IR. So very important law, Ohm's law. Next go to resistor in serial connections. Resistor in serial connections. So diagram, write the first heading diagram. This is symbol of R1, this is symbol of the resistance R2, this is symbol of the resistance R3. So are connected end to end to end. There are three resistance are connected to end to end. With battery, key, ammeter, there are all connected in the circuit. Serial connections, not parallel connections. Very important point. There are both are connected to serial. So R1, R2, R3, there are three resistance are connected end to end. This is first point. Next, same current, symbol of the I, same current passes through the each of the circuit. In the circuit R1, R2, R3, each of the resistance same current passes, not different current, same current is passes. So current I is a same. Next, but potential difference V, potential difference V is different respect to the resistance. R1 respect to the potential difference V1, R2 resistance respect to the potential difference V2, R3 resistance respect to the potential difference V3. So potential difference is different, very important point. The formula of V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is equation number 1. From Ohm's law, you know Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Ohm's law formula, V is equal to IR. So V1 is equal to IR1. I is a common, is some same current, I is a same current pass through the each of them. So I is a same, not different. So V1 is equal to IR1, comma, V2 is equal to IR2, comma, V3 is equal to IR3, comma, and V is equal to IRS. See, RS. This is serial connections, resistance in serial connections. So all value substitute the equation number 1. All value substitute the equation number 1. Equation 1, V is equal to IRS. So IRS is equal V1 value IR1 plus V2 value IR2 plus V3 value IR3. So all I is common. So common I, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I left side right side same. So I cancel. Remaining RS. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is called up the formula resistor in serial connection formula. So next, resistor in parallel connections. What is the parallel connections? Any use of the parallel connections? Home, hospital, So there are connected to parallel connections. Very important connections, use of the parallel connections. This is parallel connection symbol. This is a parallel connection. So R1, the resistance R1, the R2, resistance R2, and R3, this is a R3. Three resistance are connected end to end. In parallel connections. Very important point. So parallel connections, and also connected to voltmeter. This is connected to parallel connections. And battery, key, ammeter also connected in the circuit. This is called the parallel connection circuit. Very important. So very important questions. Neatly draw the diagram. Next, consider R1, R2, R3. There are three resistance are connected to end in parallel connections. I current passes through the resistance 1, resistance 2 and resistance 3. So I current passes the R1 resistance divided I1. I current passes through the R2 resistance divided I2, and I current passes through R3 resistance divided I3. So current is different, but potential different. Voltmeter is potential different is same. So first you identify current is different, but potential different, V is here same. So find next point, the potential different across each resistance same, V is here same. But current, capital I, symbol of the current, capital I, is divided into three branches respect to the resistance. So they divided into three branches, I1 respect to R1 resistance, I2 respect to the R2 resistance, I3 respect to the R3 resistance, pass through the R1, R2, R3 respectively. Very important third point. Next, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is called the equation number 1. You know first Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. This is called the Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Find out I is equal to V by R. Then I1 is equal to potential difference same. So capital V divided by respect to R1 resistance. Similarly, I2 is equal to potential difference same, but respect to the resistance 2. Similarly, I3 is equal to V by R3, comma, capital I is equal to V by RP. What is mean RP? RP is a resistance connection in parallel connection, resistor in parallel connections, RP. So substitute the equation number 1, all value put in the equation number 1. So I1 value V by RP is equal to I1 value V by R1 plus I2 value V by R2 plus I3 value V by R3. Similarly, so 1 divided by RP into V, 1 into V equal V is common. So remaining 1 by R1, 1 into V by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Both side V is common, so cancel V. Remaining 1 by RP, P is a parallel connection, the resistance is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is called resistor in parallel connection formula. Very important formula. So based on the solved problem, R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 3 ohm. Ohm is a unit of resistance, symbol, ohm symbol. This is called the symbol of ohm. So R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, and R3 is equal to 2 ohm. And the voltage 10V are connected in serial connections. Find the effective resistance in the serial connection. Find out the effective resistance in serial connection. Very important. Note these questions. serial connection or parallel connection. This is question is serial connections. Go to serial connection formula. So formula is RS. This is effective resistance symbol. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. All value put out, R1 value 5 plus R2 value 3 plus R3 value 2. All value put in the formula. So all values added. So value is 10 with unit of ohm. So 10 ohm is here answer. Very good. Thank you, students.